Hello, everyone. So today we're gonna continue working on Light app, and we will build the blood pressure app. So I'm gonna share the screen with you guys. So we'll go to the blood pressure app. You open that, and as we mentioned, there are three sections. On the first one is the layout. On the left, you will have your page or pages, navigation, and then you will have each component in your page. All these pages can be on the lower section of the display here, or it can be hidden under the menu. So it will be listed here. Let's do one more. Let's say we want to add information about the app. So we will add a screen. And then this screen, we drag it to the menu, and we can name the screen on the right section. So information. So it's going to be only information. So I'm going to add one component here, and it's going to be text. There are different types of text. So I'm going to just select this, and I'm going to write here this app develop to help patients with hypertension, for example. You can modify the size of the text. You can put it in the middle or on the right. So I'm going to just leave it on the left. And you can add, let's say, an image. So I'm going to look for blood pressure. Image. Then I'll just, I like the drawings better. It's not going to take a lot of space. So let's take this one and just make sure it's copyright is considered in this. So I'm going to add an image. I select the image here. If you have the image in the computer, let's say a different image, let's say the green one. So if this is what you want, I'm going to just download that, save it as an image here, blood pressure. So you have two options. Option number one, you can select the image from here, and you can just copy the URL or the address of the image. So I'm gonna, this is first option, and it's gonna be the first one that we have. And you can resize that, so you can make it bigger, smaller, or part of it. You can get a size. So I'm gonna just make it full, and then you can also align it to the left, to the right. I'm gonna put it center. Sometimes you can, when people move the mouse over it, it will pop up some text. So I'm gonna just change that text to something like that. So whenever someone move the mouse, an alternative text will come and show this is readings. This is a text. The other way to upload the image, so I'm gonna get another image from here, image, and then instead of image here, I'm gonna upload it from the file in my computer. So I'll go to select, and then the image will be in downloads. It's here, this is it. Let's say I have a different image, let's say this one. I'm gonna just select this one. And it's gonna come replace this image here. So here's the image. So this is about the information if you want to add some information, and the same with disclaimer or contact info. Let's say you want to so this is a contact info. You can change the icon here. I can just add contact, let's say check or form or contact, let's say pen. So it's going to be the contact info on this side. So if you want to edit the contact info, you go to the contact info page, and then you can delete these two images. And then here you can put your contact information. Let's say this is with all of the contact us, you can call us on this and then you can put your phone in. So this is how our email address. And your email address, something like that. So this is the contact information if you want them to contact you. There is another option to add an icon or a button. So a button that will act as a contact. So it will open some. So you can share or compose an email, for example, if they want to send you an email, or if you want to send a text to your phone number, it's gonna be SMS. Or they can call the number. So let's say call us. So it's gonna be dial the phone. So call us, you know. And then the phone number will be a phone if we have one. Let's see. So this is the phone number, and then when they dial a number. So we will ask them to dial this number. So when they click here, if it's from the phone, and they will click here and it will open the application for phone call and it will dial this number for them. Something like that. So there is some way to communicate between the user and the developer. This is how you build that page. And all of these pages will be, here's the information, this is the contact info. And again, you can add one more icon for sharing this app with other share. So open, and then you can say this to share this app. So share link, and you can add the link here. Whatever website is located, you can add the website, for example. So whenever they want to share the link, they can just click on this instead of. So they will share the app with loved ones, with family members, for example. So this is how you build that. And each icon or each button can be changed into blank or the same color, or like a very faint color. So I'm going to use this one. Thank you.